fourth year class, Mr. John Wayne Calawod, class advisor, and sophomores, wala na kayong mga kamay. Right, juniors! For supporting your students, your children, I mean. Get set! Go!
Is representing the different classes
That is representing the different classes
of the Northern Antique Vocational School
of the Northern Antique Vocational School.
do hereby declare
Do hereby declare
that we are amateurs
that we are amateurs
and do pledge ourselves
and do pledge ourselves
to compete in these games
to compete in the true sportsmanship. Right next.
Officials.